we have another teacher-student challenge for you. We're going to be upcycling these crazy culottes coming up. Hi, Chanel here with another addition to your So Chanel fashion playlist, bringing you tips, tools, and techniques for your fashion evolutions. So if you're new here, join us for your weekly dose of fashion inspiration. So I was in LA recently and I went to the FIDM Schloarship store in downtown LA, and they have all these great designs from the local designers. They donate them, and people come in and buy them for really cheap. I got these crazy culottes for like $1, and I bought 3 of them. I actually bought 5 of them, but I can't find 2 of them. But I have these, and I've got Sydney back with us.
Hi.
And we are going to give these culottes a fashion evolution. See what we come up with. Bonus, we also dragged in Jenna.
Hi.
Who's also going to participate in this challenge. And we're going to show you what we came up with. Okay, Sydney, you're going first. What ideas do you have?
So I'm going to take this waistband, make it a bandeau top, and then take the pant material and add ruffles to it so it's a cute little crop top out of the pants.
Oh, so she's going to do a shirt.
Yeah.
So was I. Well, this is my idea. I'm also going to make a little top. I'm going to use this as a bandeau top. And then I'm going to take, I think, the lower half of these culottes and make a sleeve out of it. So I'm going to make like an off-the-shoulder sleeve. And
I like that idea.
And then the bodice part, I think I'm going to do a little slimmer top. I have to see, because this is stretchy, so I got to see what I can do with it. And then, Jenna, what do you got?
Well, I was thinking of turning this part into a skirt, and with the scrap fabric, I was thinking of either making a tote bag or a scarf. I haven't decided yet.
Oh, so okay, so we'll have 2 tops and a skirt out of 3 culottes. Okay, we're gonna get started. Well, I got my top started, and it's actually turning out way cuter than I was expecting. So what I've done was put the waist up at the bodice and cut. This was the very bottom of the culotte, and I added it to the top part here. So I had taken off the old one and re-stitched all that so that it didn't have any seams, because, well, actually this was kind of the crotch seam right here, so had to. And I made a sleeve out of the crotch part. You can actually see it's just a natural curve from where the crotch was, and I just added elastic and then added elastic into the center of this, made it like a little Lego mutton type sleeve with a puff, like that kind of that little Renaissance feeling. I think I'm going to have to take it in my elastic in a little bit tighter. I want it to really have that puffy look, and then just added it to the sides of this bodice right here, and then scooped this part out and just kind of stitched it right on top of that elastic so your armhole can fit in there. And just, that was pretty simple, a little simpler than I thought it was going to be. And then the bodice doesn't exactly hold up too well. A little sudden movement, it might fall down. So I found this great organza, like olive ribbon in my stash. I've got tons of ribbon, and just tied that up there. It gives a little extra support. And then I loved it so much, I put it around. I'm going to tie it into the seam here, and then to get rid of this fullness in here, I'm just going to bring it around to the front and then to the back, and then tie it in the back here, and it just brings it a little bit of a bohemian type look, and really custom made. This definitely, to me, it's like a little bit of an art piece. I really like it. And I'm going to keep all of these beads on it because Jenna and Sydney took theirs off, and I thought I was just going to keep them on there. I don't love them, but I do think it kind of gives it a little bit of a little different thing to it. So I'm really happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I also have to figure out where to hem this. I haven't quite decided this. I actually like the hem on this one. It's the overlock from the bottom of the pant, and I like it. It's pretty cute. So I'm gonna check in with Sydney. She was working on her top, making, I think there's little straps up on the top, and check in with her. And then also Jenna. Jenna has made 3 pieces out of 1 culotte. So I'm gonna show you what she did. So I'll be right back. Okay, Sydney, how's your progress going with your little top?
It's coming good. It's good. I took out the crotch of the pants and I am sewing them straight, and then I'm turning it into a little top.
Little top. Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cute.
It is. I just gotta hem it now.
Oh, and you're gonna add straps to it?
Yes, I'm thinking about adding some straps too. So.
Oh, out of the fabric? Or?
Yeah, out of this fabric. I thought that would look cool.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be really cute.
Yeah.
All right, we'll check in with you later and see how progress is going.
Okay.
Okay, checking in with Sydney. Looks like
Hi.
she's working on the straps.
Yeah, I'm making these straps and I'm gonna make 4 of them and tie them like this, and then it'll be like a ribbon on top of the shoulder. Or not a
see.
ribbon, but yeah.
Like 2 like tied up there knots or bows or
Yes.
however it shapes out.
Exactly.
Cool. All right, see you in a minute. Well, we have finished our culotte challenge, the camo culottes with a lot of fabric, but then a lot of seams. So this happened to be a little bit easier than we all thought.
Definitely.
So, and I was expecting this just to be a hard one. I really wanted it to really change the garments around, but I'm so glad. So that just kind of give me more oomph. Sometimes when things are too hard, we don't want to keep doing them. So this one was easy, so it'll help for the next ones. But I have Sydney, and Jenna is here. She's she jumped in on the challenge also, and we're going to show you what she did. So let's see Sydney's first. I want to see what you did.
Okay. So I took the pants and I cut it into a skirt and sewed it shut. I added a hem, obviously, and then I wanted to do a strapless top at first. But then I decided I was going to add straps, and it's kind of like a lower skirt, high-waisted skirt type thing.
It's kind of like a dirndl.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like almost, well, I don't know, like from Germany, those little dirndls, I think. Like
Something like that, yeah.
Something in that zone.
So then I just put a white tank top, or a white t-shirt would look cute. And then I added some rickrack.
The rickrack?
Rickrack.
Which is like the same trim as the lace. The lace part in there,
and I
too.
took all the beads off.
Yes, because they're kind of ugly beads.
Yeah.
They were kind of weird.
Yeah, they were. Yeah.
But cool, that looks so cute. I think
Thank you.
I think some kids would wear that actually.
Yeah, it's really cute.
The teenagers.
Yeah.
Not me, but you know. But well, cool. Jenna, show us what you did.
So at first, I kind of just stopped doing the skirt. Then I kind of upgraded and did a book bag.
Like a purse,
like a
right?
purse.
It's not a book bag. That would be.
I don't know why I want to call it a book
We don't want
bag,
to
but
put
I
a lot of
do.
books in that.
I made a scarf by making a really long strip of fabric and gathering it together. And I also took all the beads off because, no offense, but they kind of creeped me out.
They creeped you out.
I don't know why, but they did. And I added these things for pizzazz.
Yeah, so you added the star nail heads, and then the other ones were glued on. So
Yeah.
that is really cute. I love the scarf. I love how you like gathered it in those sections and then made it and said it wasn't flat. It just had some dimension to it. So
Looks great.
nice job, Jenna. All right. Well, I'll show you what I did. Let me see. I wanted to make a top out of it. I was challenging myself. I thought it'd be harder, but it was easy. So this is actually one of the legs. I just kind of actually that's right. I think I showed you to it before. Was the crotch seam was in here, and then I put elastic here, and then I added a little bit of elastic in here. I think I want to make those a little bit tighter on there, but it's sort of like a Lego mutton sleeve, and hemmed it, and I kept the beads on because these guys took their beads off, so I thought I would keep them on, although I really don't love them. But so that turned out really cute, and it was really simple. I was really surprised. Then what I wanted to, because this was all puffy right here, so I wanted to bring it in and kind of maybe look a little like a bohemian style with kind of full, but you know, kind of controlled. So I added a ribbon in here and then just tied it around to the back. Then you just tie it in a ribbon. And then this is the ribbon up here really necessary because the top was falling off. So I had to add a ribbon up there. So that was mine. And I also, this is the hem leftovers, just overlocked, and I thought I kind of liked it just raw like that, and I didn't roll it up and hem it. I just left it that way. So that is what we came up with, and my team, you guys did a great job. So congratulations, that was fun. So we will see you on our next video, and go out there and do some upcycles. Bye, guys.